Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to a quant price. So basically, market is really highly likely to bottoms up from here. See, this is the virgin pivot. Might test this price today. 25,500, 24,500 in Nifty. As you can see, the bias failing. The trend was shifting downwards. Opened above R1. That means there is a demand, a good demand, and it will continue to rise till S4, which is 24,700. So see the dip exactly happened on this day. Somebody watered from monthly pivot, and also in Bank Nifty, as you can see the trend. See, it exactly took a support here, and again if you see the today's formation opened above R1, exactly very bullish sign, and see it's continuing upwards. Very soon it will touch 58,200. That will be like anything. And see also Bitcoin. As you can see, this is the weekly pivot dip, and now it's continues to upwards. So this is the dip point on Bitcoin if you were to buy. So you should be buying right here, not right here. So yeah, that's one thing. It has shown a very good move of around four k dollar, 5k dollars. So yeah, that's very good. Also in Nifty, if you do wanna wait, cause this right price is the exact dip, but still it opened really bullish above R1, above H3, and it'll likely to continue upwards. Cause see, here is the virgin pivot, also here is the virgin pivot, so it'll continue upwards towards 24,700 or whatever. So yeah, and that's my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty both. And with gold, monthly bias again bullish, daily bias again bullish. Let's see if it turns, because the dip is still untested. So this price is the dip, also this price is the dip. So it has taken rejection from daily H3. Let's see if it continues. It's a bias rejection day. CPR shifting downwards, opened above the mean and started to go upwards. So, so this whole zone is the maximum confluence zone in monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. So you just need to wait. I was waiting because I wasn't sure while this candle was forming that where will it close, and see it closed above central pivot of previous day, so which shows the bullish sign already. So basically what I'm saying, you should be waiting. You should be waiting. See, I'll show you what happened in crude oil, because they'll that that was all over the social media the other day. As you can see, it opened above R2, took a dip exactly at S1, and again it's going upwards. Nothing, no crash, nothing happened, guys. It was a very pure institutional dip. They played the whole game, पूरे दिन भर नीचे लेके आए. जिन लोगों ने भी यहाँ से बाय किया होगा, उन सबको बाहर निकाल के now they are in. So they have the best positions now. So that's what it happens, guys. So you need to be like really careful while placing the order or while adding on. If somebody have added on, who must have bought it from here or somewhere. But see, if somebody must have added on even a small quantity here or anywhere in this day, he would have exited the whole trade. So that's the key point, guys. That do not be let's over adding or just play safe, guys. That's all. I mean, Bank Nifty, it's already a trend day in Bank Nifty. As much as I understand the market, Bank Nifty is really likely to continue 2000 points upward from today's R1. It can like seriously continue to go till 58,200, which is like 1300 points from here, and also same with Nifty. But Nifty, what I'm thinking, tech is already weak, and see the dip can happen again. It can continue because it can become a typical day. A typical day is the day where initial balance, the wide initial balance get formed, and market for a very high time, like for a very high reasons, market does not break the initial balance. So see, as you can see, this is in 30 minutes or 60 minutes. The very high range has been formed from R2 to R1. Now we'll see if the trend continues to go downwards, or if it ends up in a consolidation. So uh, there'll be like really important to watch that if the trend continues in Nifty. If what I think, it's opened above R1, that means it's already really bullish sign. So this H3 should be the dip, guys. You should be buying at H3. It's already taking weekly S4 support. So that's what I have seen in wars, that markets go upwards in wars. What generally happens, why market trends upwards in war? Because every service, everything is at its max. MSP के ऊपर ही सब बेच रहे होते हैं. It's over demand, like for every services, for many things actually. The demand rises in case of war. Even commodities and stuff, they all get overpriced once the war begins. Cause what war is about fighting for resources, keeping the price high so that no other person can buy it easily. So these are the things, guys. I think these things in a very long term, they do not affect the markets. Market generally continue upwards. That's what happens, and see that will happen in Nifty today. And also in Bank Nifty, I wouldn't be surprised if somebody start buying it from here, 55,851, because that's the dip point. That's where somebody should be buying. See, if the retailers have already bought it here, they are fucked. They are already fucked, because see, what is it? The institutions will only buy at the tip. They are not going to buy it here. They're not going to buy it here. They'll buy it on H3, maybe here, maybe here. Nobody knows. Maybe here. That that nobody knows. But you should not be buying overvalued. You can buy. You can seriously start to buy it here at H3 and Nifty. Cause why? Cause it's already very undervalued price, and market opened above H3. So that means there are very high demands according to Cambrilla pivots, and once you're getting the dip, you should be right way entering in the game. So let's see how the day turns out. It's a bullish day. Slowly, market is grasping the value. If not, if I'm not wrong, gold is likely to turn downwards from here, because see, it has already tested H3 layer in the morning, and it took a sh sharp support, sharp resistance from there. So let's see if the war is ending or anything like that. So I'll be happy to just sit and watch. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. And yeah, so you guys enjoy Nifty, Bank Nifty, because it's the bullish chart, guys. See, this is bullish bias in Bank Nifty. Same did told you, it's a buy from H3 pivot. So yeah, it's going to be the trend day, guys. You should be holding some calls for next week, maybe. Not this week. You shouldn't be buying in this week positions, because you'll be fucked otherwise. So yeah, also Bitcoin going upwards, closing above our extremely trendy in Bitcoin.